Hey guys, today we're here with Olive. Olive, say hi.
Hola!
Olive in our language.
Hi!
Anyway, we're going to go camping like Mom said. It's Saturday. And plus, we're going to go to the park. We're going to bring out just 2 dogs because we cannot take care of all the dogs in one camping place. Fall's going to be like, "Wah, stop it! Stop! No, not like that! No, no!"
Yes.
So, Olive, what would you like to say?
Buenos dias!
Oh, Olive. Anyway, we're here. Come, Olive.
Okay.
Okay, Olive, let's go. Olive,
Yes!
you're locked.
Open it.
Do you know how to unlock it?
I really don't know it.
You just need, that's just one locked. So you just remove one of that.
What is it? Whew. Too easy.
Let's go and fetch Mom. Okay, we're back at the foggy house. Knock, knock, Mom.
Who is there?
I was not.
Who is there?
We're here, Mom, for the camping.
Oh! Did I tell you?
Yeah, you said for the last video we were gonna go camping in Saturday.
I cancel it.
You did not. Come now, Mom. So I need to introduce you to Ruth and to Spotty. So this is Ruth and this is Spotty. Where's your dog?
I left it at work.
You left it in your workspace again?
Yeah, he's cute and my coworker loves it.
Oh, Mommy. Yeah. Oh, Mommy. Anyway, let's go to the park now.
Oh,
Call an Uber, Mom.
who is that girl?
That's Olive. Olive, say hi in our language.
Hola, buenos dias. Hello. Hello. Let's go.
Oh, okay. Let's go there. Come on. Mom, call an Uber. Later. Okay, we're here at the park.
Yeah, it's camping day.
But we need to find a tent. What if there's no tent?
There is.
Okay. Well, this is like a dog park. See? Okay, I'm just gonna get 2 ice cream, please. Okay, you would like it for free? Yes. Anyway, here you go. And 1 real ice cream. Sorry. Oh, man. Anyway, here you go, doggy. You would eat it there. And you also eat there. Oh, look, Mama.
Yes.
Here you go.
Cute.
Anyway, let's check if there is, you know. I'm gonna check it at the sailboat. It's gonna be fine. There you go. Ah! Help! Help! Oh, that's Oreo. Hey, Oreo. Anyway, let's just put that there and leave that there. Mom, there's no tent.
Yeah. What kind of park is this for animals? Oh.
Wait, I could go back home and get some sleepings.
Yes. We're going to wait you here.
But Mom, we're gonna take 1 hour driving.
Oh.
You know what? This is not even the park.
So, what are you thinking?
You said you said that you will get the dogs, just get the dogs. And they're gonna be singing and camping. But that will be our last activity. First we need to do dogs and then
Camping!
No. I don't think you heard me.
What?
Singing, remember singing?
Yeah. Okay, do eat your ice cream, doggy, and let's go singing.
Can I have 2 ice cream, please? Okay. Here you go. And a cherry on top. And just gonna get that. Okay. And a blueberry on top. Here we go. Thank you. I'm just gonna get some. There you go. And here you go. Welcome. You're welcome either. Anyway.
Who are you?
I am Aiem. Who are you?
I'm Clara.
Do I know you?
Not really. I'm here at the park.
So, what?
I'm Clara.
Okay, you could just there. Okay. Anyway, I think the dogs wanna poop. Let's go. You do there, Mom.
Oh. Ew.
And you do there. It's like sitting. Oh boy.
Yuck.
Ew. I just dry those up already. Okay.
Okay.
Just go poop.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you go pee there. You go poop. You don't want to pee. Oh, there, you're gonna pee. And you go poop. And, of course, for safety, we need to do those full of poop. Anyway, Mom, I think I can sing.
Where?
We're gonna sing here.
Oh, amazing. Okay. I'm going to introduce to you.
No, Ma. I can do this myself.
Okay.
You just
clean
poop
the
there.
mess.
Poop there. You jugged it?
What's that?
It's golden poop.
Ew.
Ew. Just put that.
Put it back.
There. So I'll sing.
Mm-hmm.
What song?
My favorite. It's relaxing, calming.
You mean like a whole song, not chorus?
Yeah.
You want chorus?
A wholesome. What do you like?
So I was paused. Mom said it will be chorus.
2 chorus.
What do you mean 2 chorus?
2 song, 2 set, 2 chorus.
No, just 1 chorus, Ma.
Okay.
Okay.
What?
Maybe we would like to gather the people before I start.
Okay. Call the attention of all the people. My daughter are going to sing. I'm Clara. Yes, my daughter.
Oh, okay, Mom.
What?
Just wait, I'm preparing.
Okay.
Okay. God can do anything with anything. He can heal any hurt, any suffering. Every cross, every care, every burden he'll bear. For anyone, anywhere, God can do anything.
Yeah.
Okay, Ma,
So
I have a surprise for you.
What is your
Look
surprise?
here, come here.
What is that?
So first, there's one egg you might want to see. So that's my surprise for you, but there's more.
The rainbow egg. A pink egg. Another rainbow egg. A pink egg. Another rainbow egg.
Everyone should be even.
Oh, there's a color. A different color.
Okay, open.
Okay, what's that?
I don't know, Ma.
Ooh.
Let's check mine.
Oh, so cute, poop.
Ooh, look, it's a type.
Oh, so cute. Ah, I'm Olive. Ooh, a balloon?
It's a hot dog. What next?
What?
It's Rocky! I love Rocky!
What's that, Rocky?
Let's trade. Take. Let's just get another egg and check what's in all of them.
Ooh.
And my eggs. They look so cute. This is garbage. Garbage. Okay, look at them. Remove that. Anyway, let's just hold the dogs. Okay, Mom, it's done singing. Now let's do camping.
Okay, let's do camping.
Okay, Ma, we're here at the real camping site.
Yes, I'm so excited.
Do you like picnic first?
Okay. Oh, I like that. Where's balloons?
Here you go, Mom, but you don't have any more hands. Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Boo 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 cha da 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 da. Oh look,
What is it?
a basket full of watermelons.
I like watermelon.
Okay, let's do camping. You eat first. It's still healthier.
Okay.
Oh, there's no more for you. What about you just eat that? Okay. Come on, Mom. Let's go camping.
Okay.
Anyway, let's go.
There's a diamond.
Mom, what now? We're here at camping.
I like it. And it's evening. Ooh, s'mores. Ooh, we're doing s'mores.
Let's just get some, You do that first, Olive. And I'll do second. And let me hold that ghost cat for you. And you will be that.
What's that?
Do you like this, Ma?
Hot dog?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll roast it for you. Here.
Thank you.
Anyway, roast it, let's roast it. Roast it, roast it, roast it.
We're going to sing. We can sing. Camping. Camping.
I love hot dogs.
Hot dogs.
Anyway, so what now, Mom?
Yeah.
Mom! Mom! Where are you, Mom?
I'm here.
I'm gonna sleep now.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
Let's just sleep on the couch.
okay.
God can do anything with anything. He can heal any hurt, any suffering. Every cross, every care, every burden he'll bear. For anyone, anywhere, God can do anything.
Mm.
I am determined to live for the King. It's under the blood. Oh, praise his dear name. I'm not what I used to be. My life has been changed. Not shackled by sin and shame. It's already gone. I'm happy reminding him it's under the blood. The next day. Cock-a-doo-doo-doo! Cock-a-doo-doo-doo!
Good morning. Good morning. Oh, so cold. Oh, oh. Comfy.
Olive, are you... I'm just... Oh, shush. Psh, 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 psh. Olive, are you okay?
Yeah, I sleep well.
Okay.
How about Paul?
I'm good. I like this. Anyway, Mom. I mean, Sissy. Here you go.
Oh, lots of food. Lots of dress.
What about let's go swimming.
Oh, it's freezing.
It's not freezing, Mom. Okay. Woo!
What's the water temperature?
It's okay, Mom.
It is.
Don't worry.
Oh, so relaxing. So relaxing.
Kids, you don't want to join? It's so fun.
I want.
Who wants?
I want.
Okay, but I don't want. So,
Ooh, but go to the rainbow. Yee.
look, I saw a rock and more.
Why are you wearing rack?
Look,
Ooh.
some shells. Oh, let's try this one. Excuse me, penguin.
1, 2.
Ooh. 1, 2, 3. Yay! All right, you guys. Okay, that's good now. That we whatever. Here you go, Ma. I know it's freezing.
Yeah.
Come on now.
Let's do some.
We need to go to your house.
Why?
Because the babies, we need to take care of it, remember?
Okay.
Come on, Fall. Let's go. Just wait. Alarm clock. Let's go, Mom.
Okay. Let's go.
We're here, Ma, in your foggy place.
Okay.
Why you don't have any exercise? Let's go.
Let's go inside. I'm very tired. My baby in tummy. I need to take rest.
Oh, dear.
Why so many baby inside my room?
Say hi. Hello, Mommy.
Oh, I have so many baby. I love children. Hello, little baby cutie.
I want clothes.
Okay. Get some clothes for my beautiful baby.
Come on now.
Come on.
You go sleep, and I'm just. Mom, you wait for me. I'm gonna change some of the baby's diapers.
Okay.
Look, the twins. I want to change the baby diaper twins.
Okay, thank you.
Just gonna get this one. I love the girl, and I'm gonna get the boy too.
That is baby Gabby and baby Gabe. Oh! Be careful with that baby. I love babies. I love babies.
Okay, we need to put some baby powder, and then put some diapers,
Okay.
and then wipe.
Mm-hmm.
Wipe.
Mm-hmm.
That's okay for you. Mom, please get Camilla.
Camila.
I mean Gabby.
Okay, I will going there. I'm going to get Gabby. Come on, Gabby.
That's Gabe.
Oh no, I'm sorry. I'm just too tired.
Hold
Okay.
on. Now you get that girl, Sally. Go.
Okay. I'm going to get that girl. Okay. Ah! Oh no! What's happening? The baby is hiding. And I'm going to put the baby here.
Oh, Mommy.
Baby.
Ugh. Just gonna put that baby there. Yeah. You can go to sleep, Mom. We're gonna take care of this.
Okay, thank you, honey. I need to go to sleep.
Oh, boy. It's so hard. Mom, wake up!
What is it? What is it?
You're snoring.
Because I'm too tired. Having camping, taking care of our pets. I need to relax.
We know, Ma. But
Can I sleep? Can I
you
take
need
a
to
bath?
take a bath. Yeah, that's what I was going to say.
So relaxing. So relaxing. Taking a bath.
Mommy!
Aww. Can you take care of that baby, please?
Oh, Mandeline, what do you want? Pee. Oh, okay, just pee time. There you go. Mom, why won't you take care of that lady?
I'm relaxing. Do relax.
I need to get the other babies.
Do the honor. Take the baby. I'm relaxing. Do relaxing. Me time. Mommy time. I'm relaxing. Do relax.
Mom.
Yes.
Mom.
Yes.
Can we adopt
Huh?
the twins?
Huh? Huh? I'll think about it. Not today.
Please, they're just so cute. Gabby and Gabe are so cute.
Yes, I know that. But I love babies. That's why I adopt all the babies here. I'll think about it.
Please, Mommy.
Maybe you can go back tomorrow and fetch.
Mom, please.
Okay. As what you are wishing for, I'll give you baby Gabe and baby Gabby. But you need to take care of them, okay?
Don't worry, we're gonna go to your house every single day.
Okay.
Because you have the essential needs. Like
Yeah, the
these
feeding
baby
time,
bottles and the
the
little...
diapers.
Yes, Mom. Thank you. Yay. They're so cute. What does it mean, Mom?
You're a good little big sister.
Yeah, they're gonna be my sisters. Ah! Come on.
What's that? Oh,
Come on. I don't have any more hands.
yeah.
Maybe I'm just gonna fetch these guys tomorrow. 'Cause I know about your tomorrow. Anyway, guys, that's the end of this video. Bye!